Helical piers are a great option to fix a settling home. Stay tuned to find out how deep a helical pier must go to stabilize your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Like I said, helical piers are a great option to fix a settling home. In this video, I'll explain how helical piers work, are they a permanent fix, and what determines their depth. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. Helical piers are giant steel screws that screw down into the soil looking for load-bearing soil that helps prop up your home. They're all steel and they attach directly to your home's foundation to ensure that it doesn't move anymore. Here at AccuLevel, since we're screwing the piers down to load-bearing strata and these piers carry an extra safety factor with them, we give out life of the structure warranties for our helical piers. That's in essence guaranteeing that our helical pier will never settle as long as your structure's there outside of any kind of natural disaster. One of the big misnomers with helical piers is that they go to bedrock. Here in the Midwest, bedrock is just not practical. You're going to hit a lot stiffer clays before you get to the bedrock. So what we're doing is reading PSI as a sign of the resistance of the helical pier. So we are looking for load-bearing strata or soil that we feel comfortable sitting our helical pier on. And that's read through the PSI that's being produced by our torque heads that's running hydraulics. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about helical piers? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.